donut for snacks?
Yeah.
Request granted. Sige na kayo pakig donut na tao ka. Donut and coffee for the pambang. Oh, gano'n na good mo good. While naghihintay kami guys sa check-in time namin, mag-donut at magko-coffee muna kami. Nandito kami sa Jake. Time check. Sa para sa pa? 1 p.m. pa, tapos yung check-in namin nasa 3 p.m. pa. Aga namin. How are you?
I'm so good.
Are you excited? Swimming na naman?
Ngita ka ba din ah?
Ayaw ko naman kaya pumabi.
Isa na siya.
Ice mocha. Mocha mo din ang paborito. Good. Thank you, Lord.
Doon siya kuwan, baka tabi ka doon magkapos.
No-off na.
Hi guys, we're gonna go to Savoy Hotel and we're in Mactan already guys, and because we'll be celebrating Mama and Papa's anniversary in Savoy Hotel. Today guys is Saturday and we don't have Saturday class, but next week I think we have.
How's school?
Good, sometimes bad.
Why?
I'm tired.
You want to get married now?
No,
Can you tell the guys who's your crush?
I didn't even have crush now. I forget about him.
How's your volleyball practice?
It's good, but we don't have practice last Thursday because Mama Mara is so busy man. Kadali na good.
Awa ko yan. Very nag-work si Papa guys.
Dali ka nag-work pa?
Saan nakatong before? Oni Belmont. Ay, pahingan suot.
Oo, skin na ba? Para na si Bismi.
Say hi.
Hi. Thank you. Say thank you to Mom and Dad, no, for bringing you here. Thank you. Third floor muna. Bye-bye. See you.
Bye. Thank you,
birthday.
sir. 15. 1514. Nag-request to higher kuan good.
Ha?
Nag-request to higher room. Level 15. Here we go.
14. Hi guys! Happy Saturday! Happy anniversary!
Let's check guys. Anong meron dito? Ayan.
Sakpat.
Hi guys!
Hello, ayan. So we're here na and kaka-check-in lang namin guys and nakapag-room tour na tayo. Time check, 3 p.m. and kids are very ready to swim. Ayan, gustong-gusto na talaga nilang maligo guys. So, we are celebrating our 11th year of our wedding anniversary. dapat talaga magta-travel kami kasi 'di ba every anniversary namin magta-travel kami. Pero yung kids ay merong klase so hindi pwede mag-travel ng 1 to 2 days lang kasi bitin. So yan, staycation lang muna for now and let's see if baka next year. So our marriage guys is far from perfect but thank you Lord at nandito pa rin kami until now. Ikaw at ako pa rin. Charles.
I'm so happy, I'm so blessed.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So, re-relax lang kami guys. Mag-swimming, tas kakain mamaya. Nagpa-reserve ako ng dinner buffet. At we will enjoy each other's company today. Tonight and every day. Tas mamaya,
See you on the trees, Mama.
ayaw, mo.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Thank you for being our photographer for today's vlog.
Welcome. Tubig! Tubig! Nagay,
Dalig yan, dalig!
Tubig!
Dalig na yun!
Dali! 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 Tubig! Ah! Sakit! Ang pangag!
Ang pangangilog kasi. Gigi.
Ano spad na?
Tubig!
Luya sa maguwa. Ay, kaya. Gay, dali.
Balik, Bill!
Dali. Gay. Oy, ate ka san? Dali.
Tupik!
Oh.
Kuya Star! Kali na ka! Nagat.
Unsa? Okay. Okay ra ka?
Yes, Kuya, what's the winner?
What's the winner? Yeah.
It's Kuya! Yay! Wash your hands at the
What's-
Napagod ako sa sayaw namin at saka sa laro ng mga bata, guys. Tapos ate ngayon ay nag-answer ng isang pace. Meron siyang kailangang matapos. Kapag matapos niya yan, bago sila mag-swimming. We're getting ready for swimming! Dali. Pagutang-butang ba siya ko ginani, Bim? Yawan. 2 feet rin mo. Imong pool na liguan, Bim. Si ate. Ah, ready na ang baby!
We're going to swimming pool now!
Let's go!
Sanda ko eh.
Ako kagagipon. Careful.
Pass. That's G. Up. Down. Left. Right. Up. Look at me. Please.
Time check, 4 p.m. na, and yeah, we got clubhouse sandwich and mocktail. Happy anniversary!
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Eat na, eat first. Ang pancake for breakfast, pamanto. Wala pa yung pancake karon.
Ano, na bread na. Pa.
Eat, 5 p.m. na guys. Magdi-dinner kami mamayang 7. Snacks muna para sa kids.
Siya. Di lang na ako ganahan, sir. Bakit? Inanaon na ako ba?
now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, eyes closed.
At last, tapos na din silang maligo, guys. Yung isa, oh, lamig na lamig na. Time check, 7 p.m. Naligo sila, guys, 4 p.m. 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 hours kayong naligo! Ha?
3 hours?
3 hours.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sige na, go na. Change na kayo, magkaunta. Oreo cake. It says, Happy Anniversary. Tapos si Caleb yung kakain ito for sure. Tapos na kami mag-dinner. Hinihintay na lang namin si Bliss kasi, ayan, ang tagal niya maubos yung leche flan niya. Bim. Babing. Suga guni mo, why? Why are you sad? Because you did not wait, man. We told you to wait.
I want to eat now.
Later gani. Ayan guys, so redeem ko yung complimentary cake nila. Ito yung mga na-take out natin guys na cake. Ito yung complimentary cake nila. Ayan. Fruity velvet. And then yung sa anniversary cake natin guys ay cookies and cream. Open natin. Kasi gusto-gusto na ni Caleb kumain ito.
Good evening! Update, it's already 10:30 and tulog na si Caleb guys. Caleb is already sleeping and Ate Bliss ay meron pa siyang tinatapos na pace. Swimming now, pace later. So tapos na siya mag-swimming, pace naman. And si Papa Mark ay magkakape pa. Papa?
Me too.
Hinihintay niya yung kape niya. So, kanina, Nag-swimming yung kids and kami ni Papa, ano lang, muni-muni. Today is February 8 and yeah, I think na-mention ko na sa inyo kanina na we are celebrating our anniversary today. Pinapantayan namin yung kids while naliligo sila and kami din ni Mark. So we're talking about life and other stuff. And yun, nag-enjoy kami. So nakalimutan ko na lang magpa-massage. Bukas na pala kami magsiswimming guys. Sana magising kami ng maaga para makapag-swimming pa kami bago mag-check out. So yeah, matutulog na kami guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Say good night ate.
Night, guys.
Papa.
Ay.
Kali, good night the boy. Good night guys. Napagod ako kaka-swimming. See you tomorrow. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, guys. Really happy Sunday.
Pitande. Si JJ, anaros ka? Morning ate.
Morning, guys.
Let's go. Let's
Let's
eat
go.
breakfast. Hi guys, happy Sunday. Ayan, so time check 7:30 na and late akong gumising. Kalib. Wala chocolate. Yan, ano? Wala siyang sige. Pero bahaya sa tao. Api, yes, api ra. Ingkod lang din. Ano man? Here, log lagi mo habi. Kain tayo, maon. So, ito lang yung kinuha ko guys. Tapos Four Season and hot chocolate. Tapos si Bliss ay may taho. Where's your taho? Hihingi ako ng taho mamaya. Wala hotdog.
Nandiyan dito.
Wala hotdog dito. Gabi iraray hotdog. Egg lang ka. Ito na naman tayo. Yung problema sa pagkain ni Caleb. Wala siyang maulam. Walang hotdog. Try mo may coffee. No, thank you. Thank you.
Ang taga ko swimming ko lang.
Ano mo?
Ano ba yung ano eh? Half lang?
Tapos maraming sagu. Yan, okay na yan. Magtaho ka? Apilan ka? Duha ka lang de. Ay, taho. Bavarian donut guys. Ayan, sarap. Tapos nilagyan ko ng pineapple jam. At taho. Yay! Kain. Si Blaze, pangalawang taho na niya yan. Tapos yung egg niya guys, 4 yung naubos niya. Pero si Caleb, rice lang yung kinain. Hindi pa naubos yung ano, egg. Masukil naman. Pagkatapos mag-rice, mag-egg, magtaho. Ayan, cereal. Ikaw na talaga ate.
Dito na muna.
Nagkaya sa suod eh.
Ika na.
Bavarian.
Sige lang, baby. Swim.
Yeah, ready?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Hi guys! Update. It's already 11 a.m. and we're going to check out. Yeah, so...
Pangago. Alaga ko.
Kada ko sa yung ngipon. Tinta ko sa yung ngipon. Ew. Yun na yung mga gamit namin dun guys. 1, 2, 3.
I'm happy.
I'm happy. Okay na ka? Okay na? Balik, balik. 1, 2, 3. I'm
Happy.
happy. Okay. Hi guys. Time check. It's already 11:20 and we're going out. We're going to check out na and yeah. Thank you so much Savoy Hotel for the accommodation and thank you so much for the experience. Are you happy, babe? You're not happy. How about you, ate?
I'm happy, baby.
Yes, how about you, Papa?
Happy.
Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye. See you soon. Be good. Mwah. Bye, baby.